Hey everyone, Jason here with Inspired Flight. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to update the firmware on your IF1200 aircraft. We'll go step by step so you can follow along and get your system updated safely and correctly. Let's get started. This firmware is compatible with HereLink aircraft using the Gremsy VO, Sony LR1, Centera cameras, and LiDAR payloads. If you're using custom payloads like MicaSense, Phase 1, A7R, A6500, SROC controllers, or LRT models, this firmware is not compatible. Reach out to customer success for support with those configurations. First, remove both aircraft batteries. You don't need to power on the aircraft for this update. Open the Mission Planner application on your PC. Next, connect a USB-C to USB-A cable between the aircraft and your computer. Then, in Mission Planner, select the MAVLink COM port to connect. The COM numbers may vary, just make sure the MAVLink option is selected. If you don't see that option, select Auto and click Connect. Once you're connected, go to Config, then Full Parameter List. Click Save to File and name the file Pre-Update Params. This gives you a backup of your current settings. Now, let's check the Lua scripts loaded on the aircraft. Go to Config, then the MAV FTP tab. Double-click the APM folder, then open the scripts folder. You should see either Payload 1 Lua or Payload 1 Final Lua. If the file name doesn't match, delete any incorrect scripts. If your 1200 doesn't have a scripts folder, you don't need to upload anything. If needed, drag and drop the correct script from your computer into the scripts folder. To download the Lua scripts, find the link down below. Now, download the firmware file below. Download the file, and go ahead and click the disconnect button in Mission Planner. With your USB cable still connected, go to Setup, then Install Firmware. Click Load Custom Firmware, locate and select the firmware file you just downloaded, and do not choose a vehicle type. Let the progress bar load until it is complete. Now that the update is complete, let's head outside to complete our final checks. Install one aircraft battery. This will power the drone without allowing it to arm. Power on both the aircraft and your ground control system. Open the IGC app, tap the IFT logo in the top left, then go to Vehicle Setup and tap Summary. You should see 3 green circles for frame, radio, and sensors. Under frame, confirm that frame class is set to Hexa, frame type is set to X, and firmware version reads 4.5.6. If any of those indicators are not green, stop here and contact customer success for additional support. Now scroll down the left-hand menu and select Parameters. In the search bar, type SCR_enable. In the drop-down, select Lua scripts. If a value appears, change it from 0 to 1. Do not change any other parameters. Next, restart the IGC app and reboot the drone. And that's it. Your IF1200 firmware update is now complete. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Inspired Flight support team. Fly safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.